guys, welcome to this week's video. I'm finally filming a fashion video. I've literally missed picking outfits so much, although it's such a stressful task and I absolutely dread it when like I'm in a rush or something. I genuinely missed that stress and that anxiety that I have when I'm trying to find a cute outfit to wear. And I wanted to film a video where I'm basically going to be showing you guys all the outfits that I'm going to wear after quarantine. I picked 6 different ones. Yeah, it's just funny because even before this video, like I would just get ready to go to the kitchen. So now I'm going to be showing you guys what I wear when I go to the kitchen or the living room or just my sister's room or the patio. I'll show you guys all the different outfits. So without further ado, let's get into it and let's get started. Can't wait for this day out. Day out in my kitchen.
Driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times were cherished. No comparing to you. Keisha, Karen, Megan, Sharon. Girl, I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you, they got nothing on you,
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit. Shit behind me, keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm shot in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette, roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it.
That Jane, standing over in a nightgown. She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see. See, Jane, why you staring out the window? Oh, with the red eyes, tell me his name. It's got you tangled up.
Take a sip, you gon' trip. I'm like a cup of shroom tea in the morning. Coat your throat like hot honey. You gon' need water, then want some more of me. In your head, you gon' slip. I love on you, and then I leave you lonely. You want to get to know me. I'll agree in exchange for your soul, please, baby. You taste like maybe.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I personally had a lot of fun dressing up to go to different parts of my house, so yeah, it was entertaining for me. It kept me busy. If you guys want to see more of these outfit videos, let me know in the comments, because I have a lot of time on my hands, so I'll be filming those. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye guys.